I think. Oh, I better be careful with this answer. I think I found the potato because you can see all the slips that's been growing. Well, granted, you could tell it's working because all this is growing. But I think this is a potato itself, the one that I have planted. I just, well, maybe it's not. Hold on, cause I mean, this. Where the hell is the potato then? Oh, okay, it's on this side. Here it is. Oh, here it is. Look, you see it? Okay, we'll see. Uh-oh. Oh, this slips everywhere. This is big. Now, I think I may have to take out this one so it doesn't confuse it. But I know more should grow. More potatoes should grow. Do you think I should? Well, I'm even shocked. And you know what? It's still hard because I'm pushing on it. Wait, is this another one? Oh, I thought I saw something the same color. You can tell, funny enough, with all this, I can tell what feels like good soil nowadays. But you can see, it's nice and soft. Let me just get this side. And then we're gonna do the transplant. Okay, you can see. Whew. I have put the whole potato in. There's a lot of slips going on. I'm just gonna keep this part in. I'm not gonna try to clean it up, and I'll put it in the little container, and we'll see how it continues. I will clean out the section where all of this was at, where the potato was, so all them slips over there, they don't continue growing. I will go from there. Oh, this is the container. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I do need to go buy fertilizer. Oh, this is tiny. We might have to get something bigger. But let me put it where you can see it. Here's my little potato. Okay, so now I can always, you can see, can you see from the inside of that little hole?
Yeah.
You can see the potato. At least we know there's one that I started. Oh, I might have to, you know what? Oh, I might get something to help this grow up. That's another thing that I saw. Because I know it's going to keep growing. So, I'll figure that out. It's a learning progress. But I have it. Oh, you know what? You should take a picture of me holding my potato. Oh, I'm too happy. Okay. Oh, and I am gonna get a shade for this garden. I see why some of them, like the greens, they're dying fast because they don't get, like, they barely get a break of shade until the end of the day, and it's hot. My little grape is struggling, and the onion. Dre's saying I shouldn't plant it the whole bulb like that. But I saw online saying you could.
Well, if you know, then do your thing. I don't know. I never looked into that, so I just assume.
But I don't know. We'll find out. So now I'm gonna dig this out, rake it out. I will get better fertilizer to kind of. Wait, what is this?
What?
What is this that I just plucked up?
Clay?
It was a potato! No, it's an onion! It's an onion! It was still growing!
That onion not doing nothing.
Look! Yes, it is. You don't see this still growing? Smell it. Oh my God. Did you get it? Did you get it? I thought the onion wasn't working.
It's fine. We can restart over. You got those things, so restarting that.
Okay.
Don't put them in here.
Go back to the house.
Yeah.
Oh my god! And it smells
It
fresh.
smells actually really good.
I hope I didn't kill it with the
Should be
uprooting
okay.
it.
It should be alright.
Because I've noticed everything else that's been uprooted hasn't had a chance. We got an onion. This garden gonna surprise us. Because I know there was other things in here. Oh my god. Okay. I'll put this here. You said the onion on the side? I think I should uproot my grape too. Leave it for now. This is the one won't be plucked. My little bean. Didn't make it. So we'll try to get another bean and put it back. This is the onion that we're gonna try to attempt to plant. We'll see. I'm gonna buy the soil in the field so I can cover that up. Oh, I will say, everything that I saw online regarding growing this sweet potato was put in like some soil, put the potato there and let it grow. But all I did, I just had it on the countertop, just left it alone for so long and it grew. Maybe because I like the house warm. But I don't know. It just grew, put it in the sand, in the soil, and that was it. I didn't do nothing extra. All that, cutting the slip, putting in water. But I don't want to get ahead of myself because we haven't bore. Anyway, other potatoes haven't grown, so I can't say nothing. I messed up. I took off my sweet potato and I thought I was going to replant it that same day, but I had to go buy soil. I didn't. And I didn't do anything the day after. So it was just sitting in this bin, dry, no water, no nothing. Like I said, my fault again. Yeah, let me show you how it looks. It's pretty much like dying. But I'm thinking I have enough roots that I'm thinking I can still save. So that's what we're gonna try to do and see if we saved it. But this is it still. And I think I got some roots. So I looked it up. I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. Since I have a lot of vines over here, or roots, oh, I hope I didn't pull it. A lot of roots. I'm gonna try to take some of these off and then I'll plant it and see if now it can produce potatoes. Oh yeah, this feels a little softer. I poured some water on it just now, try to help it out a little bit. It looks like we still have a lot of good vines. I could use one of these, but since the leaves are, a lot of them are dying, I may not use this one, but we'll leave it here on the side. I ended up cutting these leaves. I was like, maybe there's no point to keeping them. Hope I made the right decision. We're just gonna start over essentially. But the roots are in. There's 2 of them in a little bag. And we'll see how this goes. I am gonna add more soil to my garden just to help out some of these other ones that may be struggling, like that one and the greens. To just protect it a little bit more from the sun. Something I'm starting to realize is my little grape, let me see, right there. My little grape right there was actually doing pretty good before, but now it's struggling. And I don't know, this is just speculation. When I was digging, I did find my onion that was still, I don't know, I guess still alive in there. And my grape was doing good, but when I uprooted my little onion, that's when this one, because at first I thought it was a sweet potato that maybe was hindering it from continuing to grow. But when
that one came out and my onion came out, it stopped. It looks like it's just withering away. But I ended up putting back my little tiny onion back inside the soil, and we'll see if it actually help it. Because I don't know really if the onion was growing, but I know it was. I don't know. I'll just leave it till I put my onion back in, and we'll see if it'll help the grapes grow again. Because I don't know, unless I might have to start that one over. But I'm really curious as to what's gonna happen. I hope my little garden grows.